Hello and welcome to my screwdriver restoration video. I've been given a couple of boxes of old tools, so rummaging through them and I found this screwdriver. I thought it was quite unique. It's a similar design to the hammer I built a few weeks back. I started by removing the wood off the handle. Scales I think they're called. And then I hit it with the power file with the 80 grit paper in. To be honest, I could have done with a little bit less coarse paper. Something like 120, 140. But it not too bad. Then I give the tip a quick clean on the strop on the bench grinder. The part of the screwdriver that was underneath the wood had about 30 years worth of grime underneath. So I rubbed that across the wire wheel. And stamped underneath all the grime was LAB Co. If that means out to anybody, please let me know. Then I found a piece of old oak, marked around it and cut it out on the bandsaw. The top and bottom part of the handle was slightly chamfered, so I had to keep nipping a bit off and trying it and nipping a bit off and trying it. Once I got it to fit top and bottom, I screwed each side in individually so I could shape it on the belt sander. And then I mixed some epoxy up so I could glue both sides of the scales onto the screwdriver. And it's the same with this project as any other. I get glue all over the place. Once the glue had dried, I gave it all another good sand and a bit more shaping. I forgot to mention earlier that I'd already pre-drilled one side, just so I knew where to drill through for the pins. Now this is where everything started to go a bit wrong. I drove a pin through one of the holes that I'd drilled and then cut off the excess. The idea being I was going to mushroom it over to sandwich the two scales on. But unfortunately, when I started to mushroom the pin over, it cracked one of the scales, which sent me into a bit of a tantrum. So when I calmed down and picked my dummy up, I found these in one of my drawers. They're old cabinet connecting screws, so I decided to use them instead. So I made another scale and bolted them on with these, and then did some final hand sanding in the corner, feeling ashamed and disgusted. Please don't judge me. So once I managed to salvage the situation, it was just a matter of putting some oil on the handle. I get it 3 or 4 coats, it brought up a lovely sheen. I do think this looks like a fantastic tool. It's something you can prise with, prod with, poke with, or use it as a screwdriver. It really does feel nice in the hand, this one. Well, there it is, one screwdriver brought back from the dead. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and do all the other nice things, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.